How to change Google password. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can change Google password. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Google in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once here, tap on your profile at the top right corner and here tap on manage your Google account just below your profile name. Once you land on this page, just below your profile name again, tap on personal info. Scroll down and search for the section as password. Once you find the password, tap on it. Now you have to complete the verification process where you can provide your device screen lock. Once you are verified, now you'll be prompted into next page where you can change your password. First of all, create a new password. Under that, confirm your new password. And while creating a password, make sure that you at least have 8 characters and make sure that you do not use a password from another site or something which is too obvious like your page name. So make sure that you create a strong password. Confirm your password, then tap on change password button, and with that, now your password is changed. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.